Welcome to my kitchen floor. So we're gonna pull out that little thing. This is a gas stove and I don't know how far we're able to pull it out because I can't see behind it really to see how long the line is. And I really need to pull it out to take out the backsplash. I do need to fix the floor under there. So this could just really turn into a massive project. Ew. Let me show you guys. Sick. Okay. Maybe that'll be easier and we can just pull it forward. Oh. Oh. Did I like paint this to the cabinets? Oopsie. I'm getting up here so I can see. Can I have that flashlight? Thank you. I'm gonna see. Oh, that gas line's pretty long actually. That makes me feel a lot better. Yeah, you can pull it out more. Ow! I forgot there's a cabinet there. That was really funny. Hit my ass on the cabinet. Oh.
One more?
Yeah. All right, maybe stop.
Oh,
yeah.
Gross.
That is sickening.
Are we past it?
I think. Yeah. Oh, that's gross. Oh, are you okay?
Compromise position.
That's disgusting. Okay, not too hard. So here's the situation. I'm going to attempt to remove this sink by myself since it's not home. The last time I attempted to turn one of like the water valves to shut off the water, it took me like 4 hours. I cried. I just wasn't strong enough to do it. I'm prepared for the worst, but I'm hoping for the best. I have a towel. I also have some Flex Seal tape in case things go
terribly, terribly wrong.
Here we go. Now let's see if I can just grip it with my hands. Probably not. Oh. I feel like... Wait, was it really? If it was really that easy, I'm gonna be so excited. Okay, let me see if my sink still turns on. It wasn't that easy. Ah. Okay, I think I turned that one way too freaking tight. That one definitely should be turned off. I have the cold water turned off. The hot water is still on. Is that? I think I did it. Go me. I'm gonna disconnect these water hoses that go up to the faucet, and we are going to hope that there's not too much water that comes out. There's probably gonna be a little bit, so I'm gonna put a bowl under here. Just using like a Dollar Tree punch bowl. Oh, there we go, just a little bit of water. Just a smidgen of a pigeon. Okay. Put it in there. But we have to get off these, and there's like some plumber's putty. That's great. Or can I just take this off? I think actually that's probably the easier thing to do. Wait, why does one of them have plastic and then one of them has like not plastic? Oh, that is disgusting. Also disgusting. We've got all the plumbing. There's these little clips in the side. I'm gonna show you guys real quick in case you wanna do this. There's these little clips in the side of the sink. That's what I gotta get out. Dare I go lay my head in this? Oh my God, I don't know. Ow! Dude, slay to plumbers, because I could just never. Oh my gosh, there's more at the back. Okay, I don't know what the that is. Please don't fall on my head. I have little arms. Ah, my poor spine hurts, and my arms are too little, but I'm a bad bitch and I can still do it. Love that. Oh, God. Well, I loosened all the clips, so I think it should actually come up easy now. I did have a lot of stuff hit me in the face, so maybe wear goggles. Now let's just, oh yeah. That bad daddy coming right up. Maybe I need to like loosen it all the way around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, I did that. Ow. That just stabbed me, but I did it. Oh God, this is heavy. Oh my God. Ugh. I probably should have opened this before. Oh God, oh okay, I'm gonna have to pick it up from the floor. It's gonna be gross as hell. I'm really out of shape. Okay. Bye, sink. That's, oh, yeah. That's disgusting. We did it. Ah, I need a nap now.